Hello, Smarties! Today, in our English lesson, we are going to be learning nouns. A noun is a person, place, animal, or thing. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, animal, or thing. A noun is the name of a person like this: Mariam, a girl; doctor, scientist; grandma and grandpa; Ali, a baby boy. A noun is the name of a place like this: home, beach, supermarket, Taj Mahal in India, hospital. A noun is the name of an animal like this: bee, sparrow, dog, duck, whale. A noun is the name of a thing like this: paints, apple, car, key, shoes, glue are all nouns. Let's look at a few more examples of nouns. A teacher, brother, uncle, Adam, Reem, a king, nurse, friend are all people and they are nouns. A few places are library, school, park, Australia, zoo, office, England, playground. These are also nouns. Let's look at some animals: eagle, lizard, lion, meerkat, cow, seagulls, fish, frog, giraffe are all examples of nouns. And everything you see around you, like a book, flower, shoe, pencil, bicycle, apple, car, kettle, door, they are all nouns. So, noun is a person, place, animal, or a thing. What is a noun? A noun is a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Now I have a quick exercise for you. Pause the video and tell me any 5 nouns you see in the picture. You can write your answers in the comment box below. Let's do a worksheet now. Can you find the nouns in these sentences? First sentence: the bear loves to eat honey. Bear is an animal, so it is a noun. How about honey? Honey is a thing, so it is also a noun. Next sentence: Khalid will go to the supermarket to buy some chocolates. Khalid is the name of a person, so it is a noun. Is go a noun? No, go is not a noun because it is not the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Supermarket is a place, so it is a noun. Chocolates are a thing, so it is also a noun. Next sentence: the farmer was in the farm. Farmer is a person, so it is a noun. Farm is a place, so it is also a noun. I now have a worksheet for you. You can find the link for this worksheet in the description box below. Read the sentences carefully and identify the nouns in the sentences. Remember that nouns are the names of people, places, animals, or things. When you're done, you can send me your answers on Instagram at Miss K Kazi. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.